Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today our topic is about IBPS PO Prelims Memory Based Questions 2020 and this is our 22nd question. Already in previous session we saw about the correlation and the question explanation. Please visit that video and then come back to the next sum. Now the 22nd question is already we calculated ABC in a previous video. Please visit and come back to this session. A, B, C and male and female. A are 720 and 480, B are 900 and 360, C are 480 and 600. Now the 22nd question is 25% of total male and 20% of total male employees who represent B and C together have MBA degree. Then find total employee who don't have MBA degree. Here they said 25% of total female employee and 20% of total male employee from B and C. From B and C together have MBA degree. Then find the total employee who don't have MBA degree. Then find the total employee who don't have MBA degree. Let's start with given clues. Given clues. See here 25% of total female employee and 20% of total male employee who represent B and C. So 25% total female employee. Then 20% male employee from C. 20% total male employee from C together have MBA degree. The both B and C 25 and 20% together have MBA degree. Then find the total employee who don't have MBA degree. What we have to find? Total employee from B and C who don't have MBA degree. We have to find the answer who don't have MBA degree. Already we know B and C values. We calculated in previous video. Please visit that video and then come back to this video. B is 900 for male and B is 360 for female. And C is 480 for male and C is 600 for female. Now here what are they given? 25% of total female employee of B. Total female employee of B. What's the total female employee of B? It's 360. But here they asked B and C together. B and C together. So B and C. Here also B and C and here also B and C. Okay. 25% of male employee in B and C and 25% of female employee in B and C and 20% of male employee in B and C. Now we know total female employee who did MBA degree. Am I right? 25%, 20%. Now it's in person, no? So 100 minus 25. 100% minus 25% gives 75%. For total female employee who did not have MBA. Am I right? Total female employee who didn't have MBA. Just subtracting 25% from 100%. Yeah, it's in percent, no? Just they given 25% of total female employee who did MBA. So if you subtract 100 minus 25, we will get total female employee who didn't have MBA. Now same for 20%. 100 minus 20% gives 80%. Total male employee who didn't have MBA. Okay, now we know total male and female employee who have MBA degree certificate and total female and male employee who didn't have MBA certificate in percent. Now we are going to calculate the values. How we are going to calculate the values? We already know what they asked. Total employee from B and C who don't have MBA. We know percentage of MBA of total female and male employee who didn't have MBA. Am I right? Now it's for female, it's 75%. Female 75%, and for male it's 80%. To convert in whole number, 75 divided by 100. Here also 80 divided by 100. What they asked? Total employee from B and C together who don't have MBA. What B and C value for this? For 75% for female. So female B and C is 360 and 600. Am I right? Female B and C is 360 plus 600. Just add it into 360 plus 600. Here they asked total male and female employees who didn't have a MBA. So just if you add both this, you will get the answer. Then for male B and C, total male B and C is 900 plus 480. 900 plus 480. 80% total male who employee who didn't have MBA. Total male employee who did not have MBA. So from the total B and C male persons are 900 plus 480 from the tabular column. I have taken and written 900 plus 480 from tabular column male employee in B and C. Now calculate the answer. This is 3, 4, cancel here, 4, 5. Now 3 by 4 into 600 plus 360 is 960 plus here 4 by 5 multiplied by 900 plus 480 is 1000. What's 900 plus 480? It's 0, 8, 1380. Now calculate this. 3 by 4 into 960 plus 4 by 5 into 1380. Now cancel this. 5s are 2s are 10, 3 7s are, and then 3s are 6. So 4 into 2 7 6 plus here 4 2s are 8, balance 1 4 0. 3 into 240. If you multiply, it means 3 into 240 is 0, 2, balance 1 720, and here 24, yes 24, balance 2 28, 30 0, balance 0, balance 3, then 8 9 10 11. Hence the answer is 4 0 3 4 2 6 1. 4 2 8 1. As for the answer is 1824. 4 2 8 1. 1824 is the answer. If you add this, 1824 is the answer. So here I conclude. Once again I am explaining the question. This is a 22nd question. This paragraph contains 5 questions. Already we calculated for this paragraph, and we derive a tabular column from that. From this they have asked a 5 question. This is our second question. Please visit the before previous video, and then if you come back means it will be easy to you. The question is 25% of total female and 20% of total male employee who represent B and C together have MBA degree. Then find the total employee who don't have MBA degree. So here they given 25% of female employee and 20% of male employee in both and C having MBA degree. What we have to find? We have to find the total employee from B and C who don't have MBA degree. The given clues are, we have written the same one. Now we are going to calculate the total male and female employee who don't have MBA degree. See, they are already given in percentage who have MBA degree from B and C. Now 100 minus 25 will give 75% of for female employee who don't have MBA degree, and for 100 minus 20 give 80% for male employee who don't have MBA degree. So we know the percentage of both for both female and male employee who don't have MBA degree. From this we are going to calculate the answer. See, 75% means 75 divided by 100. Total male employee who didn't have MBA degree in both B and C. Don't forget this, in both B and C. So both B and C means for female both B and C values are 360 and 900. And for male it's 900 480. So female employees are 75%. 75 divided by 100. For B and C female is 360 plus 600, and for male employee who don't have MBA degree is 80%. 80 divided by 100. The B and C values of male employees are 900 plus 480. Just add it. If you add both this value, we will get the answer. Just cancel and divide and then add means we will get answer 1824 is the correct answer. So this is the 22nd sum. Here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with 23rd question from the same question from the same paragraph. So if you have any doubt, please comment it. Please free to ask. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. If you like it, please give thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel. Bye.